Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. Ooh. Let's get rid of that. Right, okay, let's pull my notepad out, do some notes. I might be a bit late again today. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. I just need to wake up like 5 or 10 minutes earlier, man. Pin message. So, we'll look at news for today. So Italian, that's fine. So we got a bit of news today. That's fine. Oh, it's my birthday today. How did I forget it's my birthday? It's annoying to get the mic in the perfect position where it's not kind of like in your way of the charts and stuff. Right, let's get moving on these charts then. Right, okay. So let's just start with GU then. So we induced these lows and we tapped into this 5-minute zone. Okay. I'm expecting that zone to fail, but at the same time we got this here as well. Which is a build-up inducement into mitigation, and then you could have taken a long from here, but let's ignore that for now, about where you can and where you cannot take longs. We got this zone here. I'll just put it as invalid for now. I just need to mark it on the charts. So ultimately we were bearish, right? Lower high led to a lower low, led to a lower high, led to a lower low, led to a lower high, should lead to a lower low. I'm not so sure. The problem we have is you had a build up here, we've had a sweep here, and now we're getting a push to the low side, which makes me think this zone might be invalid. Because ultimately, we were bearish. You had a big push to the upside. We failed to make higher highs. We had loads of lows there, loads of highs there. We just swept the lows. Then we've had a reaction. I think we might have to go up here. We might have to go up here. So, use a bit. Actually, just a bit more clearer on GU, where you've got loads of relatively equal lows, one low there, one low there, one low there, one low there. This is a better example. Lower high, lower low, 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 higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Or if you look at the fib, you know what, I've done that wrong, haven't I? I'm meant to do from the bottom. Oh no! I'm meant to do from the bottom. Yeah, to the top. You've technically done a 0.76 pullback. So yeah, a bit of a confusing one. And at the same time, you've got build up. Yes. Okay. So you got build up here, inducement there, broke structure, swept liquidity here, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high, broke structure here, pulled back in, but then you've got the wick here. I don't like this wick. I don't like the look of that wick. Build up, inducement, failed to come through. But now you got 1, 2, 3 relatively equal lows here now. Now we got these lows. I think this zone's gonna fail because you've got equal lows below it. You've got this low, 1 low, 2 low, 3 low, 1. Yeah. So that would make sense. 1 low, 2 low, 3 low on the M15. Then you got 1 low here, 2 low here, 3 low here. And we are looking to short GU anyway, so I think shorts look better. Ideally, I'd want price to come back, tap into this zone, and then I can look to short from there, ideally. Let's go on M1. Oh, let's ignore M1. Go there. These two are so close that I literally wouldn't take it from there. Woo. Big block. Big block. It's 4, so it's within my time, within my window. I suppose from this one we could take it from here, or we could take it from there. That works out to 3 also. But now that's just trapped into this zone here, so I need this zone to come back in, respect this zone to sell off, otherwise I can't take it. Oh, it's going in. It's going in deep. EU and GU are both showing that we should short it. Even on DXY, we've made the wick on the low side already, even though it's very small. I wouldn't be surprised if we fell into this gap. Alright, let's go on to gbpchf now. Go to M5. So we induced the low, then we went high, didn't induce the high. We got relatively equal highs here. We swept the highs. It's a pretty clear build up right there. So if we got a build up there, just go on the M2 so I can get a bit of a better image. This is some internal liquidity right here. Just look at that price action. Oh, so bad. Bit of a sticky one. GBPCHF is confusing to me, but let's just go on the M15. Well, this zone should fail because you got liquidity above it. Equal highs with the supply zone right there. And if we look at we are stuck in a range anyway, yeah? So that's going to be hard to say, but this is a higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high. I think price is going to tap in here. I think it's going to take that zone out. I think it's going to take that zone out. So let's stay on M5. That zone should definitely fail. Yeah, that makes sense. It lines up with that zone. I think price will come down here, induce this, and then push high to take this zone out. Yeah, that's what I think. I'm gonna wait on GJ. I'm gonna be patient and hold on. Perfect there. Don't see that's when the data ends. Oh, it is. Oh, that's why in it. It's bloody 2 minutes. Okay, there you go. Perfect. So we induce that there. Have the reaction. Now we've got equal lows here. That's interesting. Let's just do 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock is here. Had a few highs here, didn't we? 1, 2, 3. 3 relatively equal highs. Prices run up now just to run them. I'm not sure today. Price is not so clear for me today. Yeah, I don't know. Genuinely got no idea. We're at 8 o'clock now as well, so see, we're just bouncing in between these two levels right now. Until we break one of the levels, I can't say anything for sure. But my preference is to short. I might just sit today out then. Today might just be one of those days where I just wait. Yeah, look at that. That zone failed. Now I need to see if this zone's going to get respected or not. When price is tricky like this, it's so hard to pinpoint what's gonna occur next because it's all very condensed. But at the same time, we do know that this week we have the services PMI later on today, which is important. And then obviously for UK, we got a rate cut decision on Thursday. So there's quite a lot there. Ugh. was just looking at some offers they had on Financial Juice, the news website. They had some offers on there for like the elite memberships. I'm trying to figure out what was the value in that. David, good morning, my bro. Morning. How are you, mate? Price is a bit more chippy choppy today, man. I did stream yesterday, but I cut the stream early because my computer's having issues and I literally couldn't trade. And because I had technical issues, I lost out on a couple trades actually. So I got angry in it, so I just stopped the stream because I didn't want to trade. I'm fine, bro. How are you? I'm alright, my guy. I'm good, thank you for asking. Struggling to figure out price action today, man. It's really sketchy today. Really sketchy price action. Yeah, that's fine. Take your time. Yeah, that's okay.
Introducing an award-winning app from Rwanda. Voted 2022's
No, Rwanda, no.
TradingView.
No. Nope. Nobody, nope. As I'll say. We do have a difference of euro and GBP, so it's a bit of a confusing one, man. Let's go on the M2. Let's come in giving a reaction. I'd like this to be an order block where it holds. But here's Frankfurt low, here's Frankfurt high. Price is going to take one of those two. And I feel like it's likely to respect the high and take the low. So tricky, man, so tricky. So let's see what price action does. Did get equal high sweep at 7 o'clock, and then 7:20 we took that. See, this should have gone higher. If it's a build-up sweep, it should have gone higher, but it hasn't. So that's not valid. So very chopped, isn't it? I can't figure this out. If I can't figure it out, I'm just gonna leave it, because there's no point messing with something you can't decipher or understand. You're better off just sitting and waiting and being patient. I'm literally just seeing this as a channel. Price will come down, induce it, and then hopefully continue higher. Or it'll come down, induce Frankfurt low, which makes more sense. EU and GU hasn't given direction yet. So GU's tap the order block now or the supply zone. So let's see what happens. So that supply zone hasn't broken this low yet. It broke that low, but the problem is it touched into a 5-minute order demand zone. So it's a bit of a sketchy one. So now we're going to see if price goes higher or if it goes lower. I think that zone's gonna fail. One second, bro. Just give me 1 second, bro. Oh, that zone failed. It's interesting how that zone failed. There's ongoing sailing goat funded. The account is cheaper for 5k. Do you suggest me getting it or it's a trap? Actually, if you go to Alpha Capital Group, They have 10k accounts for $40 for 10k. I was actually gonna get one, but already I have too many accounts. I don't need it. But I told all of my friends, the discount code is 10k FOR40, and it's $40 for a 10k account. That's actually good value, like really good value actually. So I would say get that instead. So yeah, let's zoom out now. Now what have we seen? We've seen a build up sweep, break structure there. That zone should have held, but it failed. That zone held, that failed. Yeah, buys. Price didn't tap into this zone after breaking structure. It come down and it swept that zone into deeper levels. So yeah, that's interesting. Got dust on my face, man. David, did you hear me? Don't know if you're here or not. Uh, 10k FOR40, 10k 440. I would type it, but when I use this streaming software, it gives me the YouTube chat, but it doesn't let me chat. I have to go onto YouTube and then type it in there, which is really annoying actually. $10k 440. Yeah, you got it. So I would get that, but when you're trading with Alpha Capital Group on M1, you need to be careful because their prices and spreads are different to a Wanda. So if a Wanda gives you a 2-pip order block, I would give yourself double on ACG. Cover yourself on ACG. So like on EU, if your order block is like 2 pips, do like 2.5 or 3 pips on ACG. Because their prices are so bad. I think they're so bad. But that's because I have loads of different accounts and I'm using, you know, all the different accounts. Turns out this zone held. Lol. That's a good deal, that is. I was literally gonna get it, but I've already got too many accounts. Otherwise, I would have bought it. Yeah. I had a feeling that would have been an invalid zone, but I wasn't too sure, but I had a feeling, but now it's showing that it is. This comes with experience, to be honest, man. Like, I'm still not that experienced, but I'm good at psychology, which is kind of what helps me a lot. I had a bit of a build up here, but I wanted price to pull deeper into this to then say, yeah, let's long. No. Are you gonna get the account? Is Euro gonna fail the zone? Euro still holding. Are you gonna get the account now, Divit, or later? Let's see. Got it. Let's see. Yeah, I think you'll be alright as long as you be careful with the spreads and stuff like that. You'll be okay. Which is that's why I've got two separate trade copies. I got one separate copy for all of this. Yeah, I'll show you my accounts in it. 1 second. So you got ACG, ACG, ACG. This ACG accounts are master because all the ACG prices are different to Aqua Funded, different to Quant Tech All. I've got Funded next on my phone. They're different to all of them by quite a bit. So I just put separate ACG master account with the ACG slave account, so they're all on the similar price. And then I've got Aqua Funded, Quant Tech All, Quant Tech All, Quant Tech All, Quant Tech all on my IC master account, which is what I'm trading on TradingView. And then when I do order blocks and stuff like that on TradingView, I take the same position on my phone on Funded Next because they're all similar price. But ACG, I had to give it a separate master. Yeah, I have loads of accounts, bro. I have loads of accounts. You can see like there's a 50k, there's a 200k, there's a 10k, 5k, 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 200k, 5k, 10k, and I got 100k on my phone. So alhamdulillah, I've got quite a lot of accounts. Some are in phase 2, some are in phase 1. That's why I don't need the 10k from Alpha Capital. I'll get the Alpha Capital 10k account for $40, maybe after I get Funded. When you started with Funded, what account did you get? I straight away got 200k. Straight away I got 200k. If you're not confident you can pass a 200k account, it means you need more experience. That's why I don't understand why people get small account. Unless obviously, if you can't afford it, that's a different problem. You know, if you can't afford it, that's a different situation. But if you can't afford it and you're saying, I'm going to get a funded account, you must say, I'm going to get a funded account because I'm going to pass. So if you've got the money, get 200k. Get 200k. Otherwise, well, why are you getting 5k, 10k? You have the money. The problem is psychological then, yeah, you know? Then it becomes a psychological problem. But you know, because I have a lot of accounts here, it also makes you behave and really be disciplined as a trader. So yeah, this zone also failed. So longs were correct actually. I should have noticed when it broke structure here. One low, 2 low, 3 low, 4 low. Swept it there. It had a build up, sweep, break a structure, but that zone should have been invalid. Oh man, I got it wrong. Oh man, yeah, it's okay. Nobody is perfect. I hope you understand what I mean anyway, David. Some of my accounts are in drawdown, by the way, it's normal. And now that I think about it, this zone was also invalid. Price came in, tapped it, gave a reaction, and then took the zone out again. Yeah. That was also valid. Longs were valid. I just wasn't so sure. But it makes sense. Build up, sweep there. We had an inducement here. That zone's invalid. Frankfurt come, took that zone, broke structure there. Price come down 745 to mitigate that zone. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. The only problem was if you wanted to enter long here, you probably wouldn't have got tagged in. Lower high, led to a lower low, led to a lower high, led to a lower low, led to a lower high, led to a higher low. Broke this high right here, missed the order block here. Higher high, higher low, broke that high, ran all the way up. So you could have taken it from here. But you got gap here, gap here. You could have taken it from here. That'd have been valid. That, and that. But price come all the way down to the extreme zone. It's okay, you can't get every trade right. It was a good trade, yeah, but you know what it is? If I go back onto EU, yeah, this demand zone, it broke that structure, but we didn't make a higher low to make a higher high. We broke that zone and then we had consolidation for pretty much the whole of the day, yeah. We had equal highs, we had equal lows. So when price swept it, I thought, wait a second, like this zone didn't actually make a higher high. It broke this high, but it didn't continue to make a higher high. Then I was suspicious, but the zone was valid, but I was suspicious of the zone. But it was completely valid because you had 1 touch, 2 touch, 3, 1. So I had a support level here. Price come through, break that support level, but it happened in Frankfurt. Now London always takes Frankfurt. Out here we took Frankfurt high, but I was expecting this zone to fail to then take this zone. So I wanted this zone to fail to induce this zone here. Then this zone's invalid, yeah, we can attack this zone, and if that zone fails, you can attack this zone. If that zone fails, we can attack this supply zone here at the top of Asia, because you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal highs right here. So price should come lower, like price should come lower, take this zone here to give reaction here, and then take that zone. You see what I'm thinking? That's what I was expecting to happen. That's what I wanted to happen. That's more clean. That's more of a clean setup. But price didn't give that. It gave build up, sweep here, come up here, you got build up, inducement here. So you got inducement on the low, you got inducement on the high. Inducement on the low is higher time frame. Inducement on the high is lower time frame. But that's still valid. So because you had both sides, it gave me like confusion. If this build up wasn't here, I'd be much more confident in longs. You see what I mean? That's what I was thinking. This zone hasn't led to higher highs and higher lows. It led to a higher high, it led to a higher low, but then it failed to make a higher high. It failed. And we also know fundamentally the dollar is stronger. So it doesn't make sense to short the dollar fundamentally. It makes sense to short the euro, short the pound against the dollar. So when you bring fundamentals into it as well, it gives you a second perspective. That's what I was thinking. When I put all these together and then I look at fundamentals and then I look at price action, I was like, oh my God, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. If this trade happened again, I would still wait. I would still wait. I wouldn't take it, I'd still wait. You need to be disciplined. You need to have self-control. If you look in the start of the stream, yeah, I literally said, like, before you come and I was on my own, I literally said, I don't know what to do with this price action. I don't know. Then I said, I'll just wait and see what happens. Now I've seen price broke this zone. I see this zone is valid. This zone is valid. This zone is valid. You know? Yeah, that zone's failed there now. Perfect. Now we got all of this liquidity to attack on the low side. So now we swept this high. Yeah, see you, bro. So close to tapping into that M15 supply, which led to this low. Lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and lower lows. I'm just gonna have to keep an eye on GJ in case it gives shorts. GBPCHF, I'll be honest, I'm not bothered about that. I need it to give me my zone. If it gives me my zone here, then I'm more interested in it. There you go, it's took that zone now. And then would you look at that? You've got a literal build up right here too. This is looking better now. This is looking much better now. Now I got a build up. We got an invalid zone right there with the supply zone above it, which should fail because you got equal highs above there. So I'm hoping it fails. Let's see what happens now. So this is the order block here. Need to break this low. Oh wait, this is an invalid zone. We need to see this fail. Because you got the build up underneath it. So I'm hoping that zone fails. Yeah. So I need to wait for this to break structure and take this low. Otherwise I'll get caught out. So I needed to break this actually. Yeah. Break that. And then we can look to take a short, sorry. Let's go back to GJ because I'm looking at GJ on this. And then 35 is 6.3. Oh, that's okay, I guess. But what we're seeing is a bit concerning. I'd like to see this fail. And then whichever supply zone we have here is one that we can take it from. Price is already coming up on GJ. GBPCHF is already falling. Not really giving me much. High low, high high, high low, high high, high low. Could be making a higher high. If we make this lower high and then we go lower, that would be great, but I needed to break this and this zone, then it can do a pullback and then I'm okay. But I needed to like just give it a tiny break. I don't want it to come all the way down here and then pull back, because then you got the issue of build up, that inducement, and then a continuation there. So it's a bit of a sketchy one, man. And you got the supply zones above it, so price could go bullish up to one of these supply zones also. So it's a bit sketchy, man. I don't like when price actions like this because it's so hard to gauge. Like so hard to gauge. Like, see, I just think it's gonna go up there, but obviously if it's valid, it's valid. I'm gonna take it because I've been caught out a lot of the time where I was like, oh, I'm not gonna take it from that zone, I don't want to miss it, I don't want to, you know, get whacked in the supply zone above. I'm just gonna take it, man. So I need it to just come down, take these lows, and then I'm good to go. Let's just set an alert in it. So what's this? Actually, buys weren't right. Sells were. No, I'm not sure. There was a trade there. You would have got a few R. How many R? Would have got like 5, 6 R. But then you've had this sell off here. Yeah, that's interesting. That's very, very interesting. This is the problem with M1, like the price action can switch on you so easily. Like so easily. That makes sense. DXY is getting stronger, therefore we want to short it. Yup. And actually, look here, look. It took all of these here. All of these highs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah.
The people have spoken. Drivers have.
Hey, you chill out with the people have spoken. Yeah, little YouTube advert. But also just had data from the euro as well, haven't we? So, oh god, Italian PMI come out bad, French PMI come out bad. Yeah, that could be why we're getting wee from the euro. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense actually. That makes a lot of sense. And now we got Eurozone PMI at 9 o'clock, and then UK services PMI at 9:30. Wait a second. Why hasn't Forex Factory got this news? GBP final services PMI. Why isn't Forex Factory having all the news it's supposed to have? I think Forex Factory is having a freak out, man. It's not doing what it should be doing with the news and stuff like that. Super odd, that. Super odd. Price broke it. And we have an order block. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna take that one. Because now we've had a breaker structure here in the time window. Ah, but we got GBP. Ah, we got the GBP thing you have on me. The news. When's that? Quick. Look. Yes. That's 9:30. Oh, 9:30. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. There, I'm in on that one. What price are we on? 35. Let's hope this works. I didn't take it on funded next because I didn't get a chance. No. We should tap into the zone and then sell off. Let me just quickly get into GJ on my other account. Nice and quick. Damn it. I like to see it tap and then come down. Or this is gonna be a L. It's gonna be one or the other, innit? But hopefully it gives me a quick break even. I'm hoping. Come on, give me a big move here. One and one. Well, I got entered at a slightly better price actually. Just break that low and give me break even, brother. Just break that low and give me break even. And I'll be happy, very happy. Okay, we broke that. I'm moving SL. The price to enter is at 632. 632. And then I'm gonna do 622. Yeah. There. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Now on here, we're gonna go break even. Just a bit of room there. Boom, we're break even on that trade. Now let's see how price moves. So we got tagged in at a slightly better price, which is good. But now we need to see price give us a good reaction. We've broke even, so either this is gonna tag BE or we're gonna like get a rejection from here and make a bit of money. Either way, whatever happens, happens. This here is the continuation. want it to reject from this zone. I don't want it to tap into that supply zone and then reject. So on the Quant Tekel account, I made like, on the Funded Next account, I made like $20-$30. I'm still in. I'm still in. Only just. It came into this order block now, didn't it? So let's hope that it's going to reject from this order block for a continuation. That's what I'd like to see. And if we go down to break this low, that's okay. It'll be a little bit annoying if the other accounts, you know, that's because of spread and whatever you want to call it, but it's fine. It is what it is. Well, price is hovering around that zone, ain't it? What? I could have re-entered off of here on the other accounts, but I'm not going to. If the accounts got tagged at break even, whatever, it's fine. It is what it is. One of the accounts lost 25 pence. That's unfortunate. This account, what did this one lose? Oh, 33 pence. That's okay. Wait, let me. There's one account still open. Which one is it? This one. That closed. Boom. Now I think we're out of all the trades. Yeah, we're out. Let's get rid of that. And get rid of that. And then post this. Oh, post this onto. Oh, I'm one word over. Yeah. Alright, so I've put that on to social medias. Three minutes for break even. That's beautiful, man. Only if more trades be like that, that would be really, really good actually. Okay. I lost like £14 or something like that on one account. That's not that bad. On the 5k, how much did I lose? £1, that's okay. On the what about this one? More lost more on this. Yep, that one was triggered there. That one took a bigger L. Whew, that's painful. Then on the 200k, the loss is $80. That's fine. That's okay. I'm not bothered about that. Right, let's get out of this now. Focus on the pairs before anything else happens and I miss it. Okay, low, high, low, low, lower, high, higher, low, higher, high. Could take a long from here and then say this. I'd say this zone's invalid actually. People are gonna sell from the high. I knew that zone was gonna fail. I did draw it. Lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. Broke this high here, got that zone there, got missed. Lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Missed that zone again, so yeah, that's fine.
I knew I was underwater. I just didn't realize I was this underwater.
If you're stressed about your paper, just get Grammarly. It's free.
I don't need better grammar. I need an A on this essay.
Grammarly can help with that. Just highlight your topic.
Oh damn, look at that. But right, anyway, so we would have, just trying to see where I would have taken it from. Yeah, I would have probably done that, to be fair. Just covered the high, covered the low. And then it would have been break even in a matter of, sort of tagged here. Yeah, break even a few moments. Would have actually got partials on that one too. I didn't look at that. That was completely my bad. And then we've got this zone all the way up here. Say about 25 there. Yeah, there. I got 9:30 around the corner, so I'm not going to take anything now. I'm gonna go back on the live stream and see why I didn't take that. So I was in GJ that whole time, which is fine. GJ got taken out, put it onto social media. Yep, that's fine. And then what about GU then? This is the benefit of having a live stream. You can go back and look at your performance. It comes 9:30. UK services PMI come out better. Ooh, come out really good actually. That's brilliant. I was too late on GJ. I was looking on the live stream. I literally missed it. I was too late. Yeah, I was too late. Yeah. That's what it was. That's okay. I don't mind that at all. Right, so now that's taken there. That zone's failed. You got this build up right here as well, so you might see price spike with the build up and take that and then shoot down on gbpchf. Euro is still coming down, which makes sense because the news come out negative for them, but pound's going up because you had a good news for them. For now, yeah, that news is relatively good actually for pound. Yeah, it's quite good. We had a beat by 0.5 on composite. We had a beat by 0.6 on final. That's good. That's really good actually. Can't take a trade 5 minutes before or after news, so I'm gonna have to wait. Could have taken out 5.3, or that would have been valid actually. Yeah. but I think 25 is a good zone. I want data to align with that also. If data aligns with it, it's even better. So you had longs here, which are valid, but this is the real trade. This is the real one. This one right here. So I'm going to get rid of this, get rid of this, because Frankfurt took the high, London took the high and the low. Perfect. So that's the zone you can't buy from. Get rid of that. That's the zone you can't sell from. That's the zone you can't sell from. That's the zone you can't sell from. Yeah. So it makes sense actually. Welcome to trading, innit? And then it's gonna be the same here. Yeah, that'll be the same there as well. But today he is quite a fair bit weaker than GU. See, there's no entry in anywhere in here. I'm gonna cut the stream at 10 o'clock because I need to take mum to an appointment. Yo, Shadow, what's happening? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Look at the more looking at I took a GJ short right here. It was valid, completely valid. Got a break even in 2 minutes. 3 minutes if you include the entry, but I'd say 2 minutes after the entry I got break even. And then I was posting the trade onto X, and then when I missed that because GU gave a long opportunity right here. I wanted to long GBPCHF, but it didn't give me an entry, unfortunately. But all the valid zones I've drew out have been completely solid. I looked back on the live stream why I missed that trade, and it was because I was literally posting the trade on GJ. So I missed out on GU longs, which is fine, you know. If I caught this trade, I would have passed another account. So I would have passed another one, another phase in an account. So I would have been on phase 2 on another account, but it's okay. I still made money on the GJ shorts because I covered break even and I covered by like 1 or 2 pips or something like that. So like I covered commissions and I got a tiny bit extra. So it's not the end of the world, you know. So yeah, it wasn't that bad. As I said, I wanted to long this GBPCHF, but wasn't really giving me an entry. So yeah, now we're just waiting to see what's next actually. And I think that I'm done for today. I think I have to wait now till Wednesday. Wait, what day is? Yeah, Wednesday. I have to wait till Wednesday. I don't really trade New York, so I'm just gonna have to wait till Wednesday. Yeah. I'm expecting this zone to fail though. I'm gonna probably keep it for New York session. Oh no, wait! I might trade New York actually after services, after US PMIs. I'm looking for GG opportunity. Yeah. Long or short? Short. Yeah. That makes sense. We got a rate cut decision on Thursday for GBP, so it makes sense to see a bit more GU weakness or whatever you want to call it in the market. Yesterday was annoying, yeah, because I was having technical issues, bro, and GJ gave 13R. It didn't hit full TP. Full TP would have been 20R. And it was the same as this trade I took. So on this trade, was it this trade? Which trade did I take? I think it was this trade. No, it show on the chart. Where did I take that trade? Yeah, here. I took GJ longs on a couple of weeks ago and hit full TP, which is 20R. So that was good. So I was hoping for another 20R again. I don't know why I think I missed that trade. Yeah, I was hoping for this yesterday. But then for some reason, TradingView was messing up and is glitching. So I got so annoyed I had to turn the computer off and stop the stream because I missed that trade. And then I missed GU longs, I think, as well. Yeah, I missed like 4 trades yesterday. I was so angry, bro. So angry. So yeah. But this would have been alright. I would have got partials at 5.3R if I took it, but it is what it is. Yeah, I missed it. I fell asleep on my computer. That's commitment, amigo. That's commitment right there. But yeah, I passed a couple of accounts phase 1, so I'm on phase 2 now. Just needed to get, if I get 1 TP on a 1 to 20, I'm pretty much done. No. Yeah, some accounts will be done, some accounts will be almost done. Roommate better to sar kya si buda ki pucho na ne. That's a weird time to trade, but if you're doing like swing trading or like something like that, then it's okay. I love just trading, it's been a rough schedule, yeah. I love just trading London session because then you get the whole day to, like, your whole day is free. Once you traded London, your whole day is completely free. What other currencies look good? GBPCHF on lower time frame looks good. Euro USD on M15. I'm looking to short Euro. Euro USD shorts look really good. The only reason I took a long on M1 is because it gave opportunity for longs on M1, but overall shorts look better because dollar strengthening. Get that to 10:15, 10:15, 10:15. So what time is it for you now? 10:15. What? 10:15, and then 10:15. Now my computer went to net 1:46. Bro, go to sleep, man. What's wrong with you, man? Pendejo. Damn it. Actually, no. This zone might actually fail in New York, so I'm gonna drag that to. It's time to trade. Tú muy loco. Tú muy loco, amigo. Oh dear. Bro, look at that, man. Longs were good, so good on GBPCHF. I just couldn't get into an entry. Bring that over to Wednesday, 10:15, 10:15. You're funny, bro. I swear you're so funny. Now, as soon as you open your eyes, it's 3 a.m. Let's go to the charts. I like trading Tokyo, beginning and end. Trading beginning and end of London. Yeah. Exactly. You crazy, bro. You crazy. Actually, that's a channel right there also. Oh my god. That's perfect, actually. There. So literally a build up, inducement to the low side. Oh my god, that was so clean. Trying to make another 10k, but last week only made 30 because my trades are stupid. Yeah, your psychology is already bad, bro. If you're saying I need to make a 10k again, that's already red flag for me, bro. Red flag for me. If you were my student, I'd slap you with chancla. I'd be like, what are you doing, man? What are you getting greedy for? Pendejo. Yeah, that's bad, bro. Like, just because you get 10k once doesn't mean you're gonna get it again, because the market might give it you that one time, but the market doesn't give it to you every time. You know? You have to be mindful of that. You know, mindful. Yeah, that's fine. So I'm gonna just mark out low of that. London low, and then I'll mark out this low, which shouldn't really, I should not come back here. So do that as there. That would be for Wednesday. Perfect. Yeah, man. Like I caught that 17-20 hour trade live on YouTube, and I was like, oh, I need to do it again. But the point is, I can do it again because that's normal. 15-20 odd is normal for me. I've caught 34 or once in 2 hours, but that's not common. If I keep aiming for 30, 40, 50 or, I'm never gonna catch it, because that's not normal, it's abnormal. But my data tells me that average 15-20 or is very possible. Maximum is 25 or. It's very rare for me to get more than that, unless I'm holding through news, and if news pushes it, then I can get like 50 or 60 or no problem. But I don't like that, because if price reverses on me, I could be floating 20 odd in balance and then news comes and I get broke even. I'd rather just take 20 odd, bro. So yeah. I'm gonna delete that because I don't think price is gonna come back there. Yeah, that's the invalid zone there. Let's go on M15. Oh, Shadow, it's my birthday today. How do you say happy birthday in Spanish? I know it's Feliz. I know Feliz Navidad is Merry Christmas. Feliz Navidad is Merry Christmas. Price now tapped into this demand zone, which is the one that broke structure. No, that was one that broke structure there, but I felt like it's gonna fail. I knew that was, I literally said it in the start of the live stream, that zone's gonna fail, and then it gave reaction. I was like, oh, maybe it's right, but I was right in that. Oh yeah, I've been experimenting with hitting TP and staying in the trade for a set amount of time. Oh no, don't experiment, get data. Get data. Experimenting isn't good. You want data. I've got data. My average TP is an hour and about hour and 30 to hour and 45, 50 minutes. Max TP, if I hit like a really good trade, I get about 2.5 hours, 3 hours. I'll get like 25 odd, but that's not common. Average is about an hour and a half to hour and 45 minutes. Max about 2 hours is slightly slower. Break even normally happens in 5 to 8 minutes is break even average. Average TP is 30 to 30. Partials are 15 to 17 pips on GU. Partials are 10 to 13 pips on EU. TP is 25 to 30 pips on EU. TP on GU is 30 to 35 pips. Feliz cumpleaños. Feliz cumpleaños. Gracias. On GJ, partials are 35 pips, TP 70 pips, and then I don't take full TP. I always leave a runner, and the runner, like, so I have data, bro. Everything is backed with data. I've done like 400 back tests, and I've got the data for all of that. So I trade with technicals, but my SL, my break even, my TP, my trade duration is all data driven. All of it is data driven. Well, some of my trades I hold for days at a time, but yeah, I'm getting data right now for what works for me. Yeah, but do backtesting. Get your data with backtesting. It's faster. Otherwise, how long is it going to take you to get 100 backtests if you have trades that last 3-4 days? You're going to get like 40 trades in the year. For you to get 100 or 200 backtests, it's going to take you 2-3 years. Just get your backtesting now and get the data now. It's much better, man. Much better. I'm just going to close all of my accounts down because I don't think I'm going to take a trade now. No! Damn it, I was meant to go on to there. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. It's fine, get rid of that also. So now we got 10 PM Eurozone PPI, Eurozone PPI year on year, month on month. That's gonna come out bad also, watch. That's gonna come out bad. I'm gonna put this on Instagram, on X, sorry, that I'm gonna put, I missed out money because I was updating you guys on trades. Yeah, look, wait, there. Missed this cause I was posting the GBPUSD on X. That would have given partials, so I would have taken money out of the market. Oh dear, oh well, it happens. It happens. Sorry, I'm just putting the GU trade I missed on X. No FOMO or greed, just acceptance, and move on to the next. On to the next. Alhamdulillah, my psychology is so good. Alhamdulillah. FX. Oh, Lee, hi. Oh, happy birthday to Sultan of Bassett's Pole, my guy. I love you, Lee, man. You're a funny guy. I swear, I love you. Sorry, Lee, I was just posting on X in it about my trade. So I missed these GU longs, which would have gave partials because I take partials at around 15 pips. I think it was like 5.3R. 16, yeah, 5.33R. I would have passed another account off of that. So a bit annoying, but it's fine. And then I took GJ shorts right here. It was on the stream. No, it was on the stream. I took it like live. Price tagged in here. You can see my entry on TradingView. There's my entry. 1, 2, 3 minutes break even. I was up like 3 or 4 grand across all of my accounts, but it didn't reach my TP level or my partial level, which was, it was 35 pips. So it would have been 35 pips. So it would have been 6.4R. It didn't reach that level, so I didn't take partials, but it's okay. I covered myself from my loss by having a quick break-even process, which is fine. I wanted longs on GBPCHF, but I couldn't get an entry on M1 or M2. So that's fine. But if you guys were to trade M5, you would have probably got an entry off of here somewhere. So yeah, that's it really, man. That's pretty much it. And once again, thank you for the birthday message, Lee. I appreciate it, my guy. M1 Guru. You know, I am the guru of M1. Traded a stock last week. It was Rolls Royce. Raw. How did that go? Oil might be a good. One sec. Yeah. It hit yearly highs. 1 second, I'll have a look. Ooh, prices tapping into here. Ooh, what time is it? 10 o'clock. Oh, I need to take mum to an appointment. Oh, this might be a short. Damn it. This zone is still invalid. That zone is still invalid, so I can short that zone. Oh. Entered on Tuesday, then Thursday. Especially with the conflicts with Russia oil. Yeah, they're gonna get sanctions. Something's gonna happen with Russia for sure, with how things are going. It looks highly likely that there'll be some type of conflict occurring. I just hope USA gets swiped out. I'd love to see like Putin and Khamenei and President Xi just all just drop like freaking big whacks on USA and then they just like crumble. I'd love that, man. They have too much influence over the world. Yo. USA caused problem in all of Latin America, all of the Arab nations, the Middle East, even in Pakistan, they cause problems everywhere. I'm in the US, chill, brother. You'll you know, heaven is halal for you. Don't worry, man. I'm happy to sacrifice you. It's okay, brother. It's okay. Don't worry, man. That's crazy. You know, you go to heaven, yeah? It's a jihad, you know that, yeah? It's jihad, bro. Why am I getting all these, like... Yeah, it's you got an extra room. Yeah, bro, come UK. It's jihad, man. But I suppose you're new to Islam anyway, so I don't expect you to do that. Like that's more for like people who've been in the religion for a long time, you know. That's just power shifting, because what do you think a Russian would do? Let everyone in peace? No. But Russia has better terms with Muslims. Russia doesn't have a problem with Muslims at all or anything. Putin's like has good relation with Muslims, whereas like UK and USA, they're a bit more like get the Muslims out and stuff like that. So I'm a bit more like against them. How about no war in the first place? Lee, come on, man. I wish that, but these things, they're not likely, innit? I'll do it. Live trading together would be funny. What do you mean? Do what? Oh, I really want to short GJ, man. If it gives an entry model for a short, I'm telling you, prices coming down here. If you catch like a 4 pip, 5 pip SL on there, and the TPs, bro, look at that. And that's going to get whacked. And even if you use data, 35 pips, that's still 6.5. Or let's just give it a 6 pip SL. Yeah, even a 6 pip SL, it's still going to be 5.7 or. Move over there. Yalla, Habibi. But just so you know, the UK is not that good, is it, Lee? Like economy wise and stuff like that. It's not. We're not thriving in the UK. We're not thriving in the UK. But yeah, I mean, I'd love it if there was no war and stuff like that, Lee. If there was no war, there'd be no Palestinian kids getting murdered and stuff like that. But unfortunately, there is. That ain't even war. That's a genocide. But you know. And look at that GBPCHF. It's going, man. It's going. It's gonna take this level. Watch. It's gonna take that level, and then give a reaction. I might trade this in New York. Yeah, I might trade that in New York. I think that zone's gonna fail. It's not giving any like reason for that zone to hold. I'll try to do 10 minutes in it, that'd be easier. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, much better. So look at DXY, we're starting to see a strong DXY now. So lads, I think I'm gonna cut the stream in about, you know, I'm gonna get ready now. Actually, I need to get ready now. On the 10-minute, GJ looks like good for longs. On 10-minute.
Discover premium pre-owned timepieces for less.
See you later, Bashy. Oh, that's fine, Lee. You heading out, yeah? If you're trading, be careful in it, because with the pound, we've got rate cuts on. Why is it doing the same advert again, man? We just literally had. Yeah. Lee, you got rate cut decision on pound Thursday, and they're likely to cut. So just be careful with pound. Pound might be sketchy. I'm gonna do that to about past. Yeah, I'm in DAX. Oh, okay, yeah, you on DAX. You should change your name to Lee Dax James, because that actually sounds good as well. Lee Dax James. But that's fine anyway, Lee. I'll probably see you on next stream or something like that. Oh yes, Alan. Thank you, bro. Happy birthday. Thank you. More life, more TP. I missed GU longs because I was posting on Insta X in it, that the GJ shorts and that. Hella funding this year, inshallah. But listen, I'm cutting the stream now because I gotta take mum to an appointment, innit? In 15 minutes, so I'm gonna dip now, lads. Thank you for coming and stuff. Alan, I'll give you a phone call if you in a minute. I'll call you in a second. But thanks guys for coming, I appreciate it. Like the video and stuff like that, like the stream and stuff. If you haven't done it, I'd appreciate it. It just helps the algorithm and stuff in it. So, in it. Yeah, Shadow. In it, Shadow. I saw something on pound yen earlier, only a short but profitable trade. I'm wary of yen pairs. You have to be wary of yen pairs, to be honest, but I'm gonna go now anyway, lads. We'll talk either probably next stream. We'll probably talk in next stream or something like that. Alright guys, see ya, bye.